done a lot in the past few weeks already for this car. So basically buffing, I did a stage 2 paint corrections on it. So the only thing I have left is the bumper and the trunk. Also, I will be replacing the taillights. This is the VLAND GTS style. Definitely is not an OEM. The OEM normally costs for the GTS around 3,000-4,000, maybe 5 up to upwards. So I'm not exactly quite sure, but I'm going to replace it because the other ones started to leak on the left hand side every time I wash the car. So even though I've only put probably less than 5,000 miles on this, I did have it for about 3 years, so not too bad, but still I don't drive it as much, but started to leak on the other side. Anyways, I will be replacing that. I'll be doing a lot, so I did the whole in front panel stage 2 paint correction. So anyways, let me show you the taillights that I'm going to get. So here they are. Oh, someone's calling me, I guess. Hello?
Hello, my name is John. I'm calling on behalf of Cox Communications. We're calling with some great news. We're just trying to help our customers see if they can get double their speed and get a discount for them.
No, it's okay. I'm not interested. Thank you. Bye. Oh my God, those guys are so annoying. I apologize. They wanted me to get the satellite radio or something like that. I don't need it. Anyways, this is a taillight. It's the LCI. So pretty much really good condition, about a use for 350. It's not too bad, especially for an F82. They're a lot more expensive for some reason compared to the F80. So anyways, this may looks brand new. As you can see, there's no scratches at all. I mean, obviously you can see some of the stuff I have here, which I use to buff this out. So I'm actually doing that now on the left hand side. As you can see, there are a bunch. It's hard to see on the video, but it definitely is in a great condition. There's a bunch of scratches, marks. This is a little bit deep, so that's not a problem. I can fix that, which I did the same thing, and this one's actually a lot worse. This both sides, but came out really good. I did a buff and polish on it, sand it, and then no, it's okay, you can have it. All of it? No, not all of it. Don't finish it. Leave me some. So anyways, here's the inner side. I've already sanded. As you can see, there's a couple sands in there. I got a sanding block. So I started off with 1,000. Now, a lot of people use, probably they're gonna end up start with 800. It's not too bad. So I started off with 1,000. I was gonna go down 800, but if I wasn't able to get it from the 1,000, but I was able to smooth it out for 1,000. Then I did 2,000. I did 2,000. Here's another one. I did 3,000. I do have another one here, which is going to be 5,000. There's 3,000. There's a 5,000 somewhere in there. There you go. So I'll go with 5,000, and then my last one would be 7,000. You probably don't need to go to 5 and 7,000, especially if you have a buffer. It's just a lot better for me. It's a lot faster to buff it out and clean it and smooth it. I just want it, just to have that really clear, bright gloss look of it. So yeah, so I'm doing this. So I start 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. And then here's my other ones. I'm starting to sanding it out. Then I'll finish it out with 7,000. Then what I'm going to do is buff it. I'm going to be using, there's a lot of microfiber cloth here. So I'm going to be using the wool, this one, to cut. And then I'll use, I don't remember which one I use. I think I use this one for polish. So I'll use this both, this one and this one. And then the compound I'm using is precision compound by Chemical Guys. It's the only one I can find locally. They're the closest one, and then the polish, Supreme polish, for polish. So I'm using both. Really makes it a lot so smooth and clear. There's no, as you can see here, just reflection is crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm probably going to install everything. I'm not sure if today. I'm not even gonna drive the car. I still have to code this out, and I'm waiting for the harness. That's the only problem that I have with the harness, because I don't know when I'm gonna get it. Probably next week, especially due to Christmas time. It's going to be a little bit more on shipping and all that stuff. May take a while longer than usual. So anyways, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to install it, and the reason why I need to install it in the car, because I need to PPF it. I already have the PPF. I tried PPFing the other one. The problem is it's loose like this. It's really hard to PPF and get those corners tack and all that stuff without having to have it steel. So I do have to install it there. And the big thing about it, because which is fine, because I still need to do my trunk. As you can see, I don't know if it shows, there's crazy amount of scratches in the trunk. Crazy amount. So I gotta have to remove the wing. I gotta do this one as well. Do the back, remove the plate, remove this, and then at the same time, once I'm done, I'll do the tail lights, and then I'll do the PPF on my tail lights there as well too. Fortunately, I do have to remove everything in the back, which is fine, easy. It does have the bracket for the wings, so it's not too bad. I'll take those out today as well, and then start buffing, clearing all this stuff out, and I should be done. And at least by next year, I don't have to do much. Let me see if I can show you some. It's a little dirty now. So what I did basically, when I did the polishing, because I do work. So every time I get off work, I tend to buff and polish one side, one panel at a time. So I did the left, right, hood, bumper, front bumper, doors, left and right, and so forth. So I did all that. They, every day, as soon as I get off work, and I'll start to do that. And then I will basically going to ceramic coat it as well. So I did first step, obviously wash it, and then clay bar it. Damn, there's a lot of scratches on this trunk. It's crazy. I'll take those out, it's not a problem, but damn, it's crazy. So anyways, yeah, so wash it, clay bar it, clean it, polish it, compound, cut it, and then polish, and then ceramic coat. You can see on the side, I don't know if it shows, it's not a scratch. There's some scratches, but not a lot, not as crazy as. And then the top, oh yeah, I did, the last one I did was the roof. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start doing that. I still have to take the front bumper, remove the front bumper, and that's because when I installed, well, let me just show you guys. When I installed the front lip right there, I had to remove the whole entire bumper. My problem is I was working so much that I didn't think about it, and I totally for this. Alright, let's see. Still some wax. I gotta get the wax off. Now this is just the compound that I'm using just to get all the scratches out. I'm still going to do one more just to polish and to get more gloss out of it. Alright, looks good, but I still see some lines. Problem is I'm holding it with one hand, so I don't have enough pressure. So I got some scratches this side. It's always this side because I normally just spend time, I guess, right here. But this one, same as yesterday, I had some scratches there. Left. Some spot here. So just a couple more. One more pass, I guess, with the purple. Then I should be okay. Alright, we're back. Alright, so I just finished polishing all of it. As you can see, it's pretty clear. So I'm probably going to install it, everything in the car. It's pretty late right now already. Well, technically it's around, what, maybe 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock. So, yeah, I'm done with this. I did my last polish and I used Chemical Guy's Supreme Finished Polish with medium foam. It's the yellow foam. So I'm done with that. Now I'm probably going to do an install maybe sometime tomorrow. Put everything in, and then what I'm going to do is going to do a PPF while it's on the car, because it's easy for me to PPF this while it's actually installed. So I can stretch out the film without having to move this around. If I do it like this, it's possible, but it's just a pain in the butt. So I'm done with that. No more scratches on all of them. Luckily. Here's the other one. It's pretty clear as well. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is install it. Although, and again, I don't use the car much, so I have to wait for the harness to come in. I think it's probably going to be here next week. So for the time being, I can install it. While the harness comes in, I'll put it in. Before the harness comes in, I'll go ahead and PPF all of them. So I think we should be good and with that. And now I'm gonna do a couple more videos. Probably you're gonna see this in all one videos, but I'm gonna put everything together in one video with installation. I'm also need to do a step 2 paint correction for my trunk in my rear bumper. And I think I'm done for the thing, for the whole thing. As you can see, the car is still here. Right now, I just pretty much, I did the ceramic coat already all around. And the only last 2 I have is the back. I'm also still going to polish the windshield. And then ceramic coat it. Other than that, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty much it. Alright folks, here you go. You probably have already seen how to repair your taillight or headlights. Same thing, what you see on the internet. For me anyways, it wasn't too bad, so that's why I did I did the 1000, 2000, 3000, 5000 and 7000 grit. That's how it comes out too. Okay. Alright folks, see you again.